Currently in our area, 85 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Today, thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. High 89. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, thunderstorms. Low 75. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, thunderstorms. High 82. Chance of rain 70%. Here's our 7-day outlook. Currently in our area, 90 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, thunderstorms early, low 75. Chance of rain 90%. Tuesday, scattered thunderstorms. High 82. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday night, windy with rain and possibly some thunder. Low 75. Here's our 7-day outlook. Currently in our area, 76 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, cloudy, slight chance of a rain shower. Low 75. Winds light and variable. Tuesday, thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. High 82. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, windy with rain and possibly some thunder. Low 75. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back to our special coverage as we track Hurricane Ian tonight. Taking a live look at the roads, we've been checking in periodically. This is I-4 near Lakeland, Florida. And
a hurricane warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 82 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Today, cloudy skies. High 82. Winds east at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, rain and wind. Low 74. Rainfall near an inch. Wednesday, windy with heavy thunderstorms. High 78. Here's our 7-day outlook. A hurricane warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 75 degrees with light rain.
We are tracking Ian, a powerful, large hurricane, Category 4, almost a Category 5. The Weather Channel in team coverage all across the state of Florida this morning and all day long. We're following this dangerous hurricane.
Today, periods of heavy rain and windy. High 77. Winds east-northeast. Hurricane warning is in effect. Today, windy with rain likely. High 76. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Tonight, periods of heavy rain and windy. Low 72. Thursday, rain and wind. High 76. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook. A hurricane warning is in effect. Today, windy with rain likely. High 76. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Tonight, periods of heavy rain and windy. Low 72. Thursday, rain and wind. High 76. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
All right, things are starting to pick up here, and we're getting close to the eye wall.
A hurricane warning is in effect. Tonight, windy with rain likely. Low 72. Winds north at 40 to 60 miles per hour. Thursday, rain and wind. High 77. Chance of rain 80%. Rainfall around a ½ inch. Thursday night, windy with showers. Low 70. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Category 4 Hurricane Ian has made landfall with 150
In weather coverage. A flood watch is in effect.
Weather shapes the landscape. It's part of your adventure. Please pay attention to the forecast.
Currently in our area, 74 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, partly cloudy, windy, low 68. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy, high 80. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, clear skies, low 67. Here's our 7-day outlook. Currently in our area, 75 degrees under sunny skies. Today, mostly sunny. High 79. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear. Low 67. Winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, mainly sunny. High 86. Winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.